Hi, I'm Alina Lovin with DreamX, and this home may be your next home. The top 3 reasons this home is perfect for you. Number 1, it is spacious, approximately 3,500 square feet. It features 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, large living room and rec room downstairs. Number 2, double car garage and RV parking or boat parking, corner lot with access from 2 sides. And number 3, it has a swimming pool, a gorgeous saltwater in-ground swimming pool, and breathtaking panoramic views of the lake, the mountains, and the vineyards below. If you have any questions about this listing or any other listing in the Okanagan, please feel free to contact me. Thank you for watching. I'm Alina Lovin with DreamX in Osoyoos. See you next time.